Hi, I'm Lauri Kane from the Plastic Surgery Office of Dr. Dean Kane in Baltimore, Maryland. We do a lot with Dr. Obajie's system. This happens to be Dr. Zain Obajie himself, his wife, and we're very close with him because we've been using his products now for 25 years. I have personally been using his products, and Dr. Kane has been on his faculty all this time. So we're very good friends with him, and we learn from the best, and we try to offer the best. And this is the best system. This system is excellent for a variety of problems. I'm going to talk to you today about acne. Acne is, the source of acne is always going to be the oils. The oils that are on the skin is clogging your skin, irritating the skin, and it stops you from allowing your pores to be open. So oil control is crucial in order to deal with acne. So Dr. Obajie has created a system specifically for the acne patient. Exfoliating cleanser so that you really get a really good cleaning. The next step would be he has created these oil control pads. You would use this actually, both the cleanser and the pads you'd use morning and night, again to get all of this oil off the face. The next step that you would do maybe a couple of times a week, not every day, is the dual action scrub. Again, we're trying to exfoliate that skin and really trying to get that outer layer clean and get your pores open, and the scrub is crucial at doing that. If you have very stubborn acne, then what we also use is the acne control, where this is where you actually put it on the affected areas. You don't put this on the whole face. This is done every other day, and again, it's dotted on to the specific acne areas that you have acne. And then finally, a wonderful cleanser, not cleansing, but the sulfur mask is a really wonderful product to make you feel so nice and clean and smooth and tight. It goes on as a dark bluish color. You let it sit there and let it just soak in. It actually absorbs all the oils off the face. It then turns into a light blue once it's absorbed everything, and then you just wash it off. So these are the best ways to really control oils off the face. If you have really stubborn acne, we then incorporate tretinoin into the mix, and that is used in the evening to give you a much more powerful exfoliation. So give us a call. We really do take care of people of all skin color. This system is designed for any person of color and skin issues. These are the particular products we do use for acne from Dr. Zain Obajie. It's called the Zeo Skin Health Products. All right, we've been doing this for 25 years. We really do know what we're doing, and I know people with acne never really feel comfortable because they feel like they can't get the results, but we do. We provide the results. That's our goal. So we really believe in this system, and we've seen the results with it. Give us a call, 410-602-3322, and really visit our website. You will see all the people before and afters with acne and without the acne issues. All right, hope to hear from you, and visit drdeankane.com.